everyone, welcome back to the video of the channel. In today's video, we're doing a review on this, the AGPTEK MP3 player. Let's get into the video. Alright, so I bought this a while ago at a garage sale, and in the box, as you can see, a little bit beaten up, but that's what we're after this thing inside. So, we have the MP3 player itself, as you can see. It says AGPTEK on the back. I am pretty sure that's how the name is pronounced. Correct me if I'm wrong. But next we have these headphones that are also, sorry, you can't see. We have these headphones here that are also used as like antennas for it. So you can like listen to like the radio and whatever on it, which I'll show you in a minute. So I'll put that off to the side there. Then we have this like nice lanyard kind of thing, which I'm guessing connects somewhere on here, probably to this corner right here. You can see how there is a hole right there. I'm not sure if you can see, there's a hole right there that this just goes through. And finally we have the user's manual right here. So it tells you everything you have in it, like so. But let's move to the side real quick. Move those up there. Now on this thing here, we have, if we hold the buttons on the side, so we have the power button right here, standard just like an iPhone and any other phone actually. And we have the volume buttons here, and it looks like a SIM card slot right there. You can see that. To get better lighting, but a SIM card slot. Then we have the plastic in the front, which I'm not going to peel off since I'm trying to sell this. But once we turn this on, if you hold up power button, it's like a standard phone. We have the menu here, which as we can see, if you just zoom in real quick, we have the music button, FM radio folder, Bluetooth recorder, video tools, ebook, and settings. So we're gonna go one by one and take a look at each of these. So if we go up to the music one first, it shows that we have different settings. We have all songs, resume the last song we played, artists, albums, genres, and playlists. Then you have update playlist. So all songs, oops, that was not the right button. But if we go back to, okay, here. So we have, go up to the top. We have all songs. So we only have one song right now, which is Richard Clayderman. I'm not sure how to say his name. This is already on when I bought it. We have this one song right now. And then resume, we'll just start playing it once we click this button. I don't want to get copyrighted. I'm just going to turn the volume down so we don't get copyrighted for this. But let's go back to the music. Then we have the artist, which just shows Richard Clay. Then we also have albums. Don't know how to read that. And then we have genres, playlists, and update playlists, which, as you can see, basically describes what they are. Then we have the FM radio here, which presents if I want to like update the stations, and I can change which ones I want them. And I also have manual tune, auto tune, and FM recordings. And if I go to FM recordings, there's none found, but that's not it. So that was FM radio, and I'm pretty sure if we go to manual tune, yeah, we have to connect the headphones to the, I'm just connecting other ones that I have laying around. So if we connect them, we can now do it, and then we can change the frequency or whatever to what songs we want. So now after the FM radios, we have the folders option. So we have music folders, pictures, TT player, video, and system volume and format. I'm pretty sure it's information. But we have music, which just shows the one song we have. We have pictures, what are just some like random pictures. I'm not sure how you take pictures on this thing because there's no camera on it. But yeah, there's another one right here, which is just some leaves. And then TT player is all these things here. I'm not going to go through all of them because that'll take forever. And we have video, which just shows, it's some like band playing. I've already looked at all of them. And then no files found for system information. And then Bluetooth is what you expect it to be. So you can connect Bluetooth devices to this. Same with recorder, you can record your voice. Video are just the oopsies. Anyways, video is just the video that was here before. Tools is like the photos, there's a calendar, so it shows today is June 21st, 2021. Then we have stopwatch, you can start the stopwatch whenever. There's a clock and a pedometer, which tracks your steps, like so. You can like move your arm and, oh look, I've already taken 2 steps, so I'm sitting down. Anyways, there's that. Then we have ebook, which I can't really know what it is, but oh yeah, it's just like random texts. Like there's this, and then there's also this. But the settings, you can change the language, the display settings, the button light. You can turn them off, I think. Yeah, you can turn the buttons off. Oh no, I want those back on. I can't tell what I'm doing. There we go. Please turn on. On. Okay, hopefully they turn on. But yeah, settings. We have the button light, speaker, shutdown settings, and date and time, which we can change the date and time to whatever it is, but right now it's correct. So yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Now, I've already used this for a while. I'm recording this after I used it for like a week or whatever. And this is really good for the price I got it for. So the music sound with the headphones and stuff is really good. And I like how you can like change the radio stations or whatever. So if you do want to buy this exact one, I will leave a link for my eBay in the description where you can buy it off me from there. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and share with your friends, and have a good day.